rotten cancer of the fascist Reich ravages Europe like a plague. Their relentless drive into our motherland steals the lives of men, women, and children alike. The arrogance of their leaders is matched only by the brutality of their soldiers. These are the darkest days of the Nazi occupation of Stalingrad. I need your help. Do what I say, and we can avenge this massacre. My injured hand means I can no longer aim. But you will do it for me. Take my rifle and watch the road. Mumodak in the car is General Heinrich Amsel, architect of Stalingrad's misery. He is responsible for the cold-blooded murder of men, women, and children. Not just here, but throughout the motherland. For 3 days, I have hunted him. For 3 days, luck alone has saved his wretched life. Sniping your enemy is like hunting any other animal. Fire at the wrong moment and your chance will be forever lost. Patience. If we reveal our position to Amsel's men, this fountain will be our grave. Now, load your rifle, but hold your fire. Wait until the bombers are directly overhead. The sound of the engines will drown out your shot. Ready? Shoot! Now! Again! Ah! Straight ahead! Watch out! Excellent aim. You are a natural hunter. Time to close in for the kill. This way. Jots. It's armored patrol. We must find another route to Amsel. Stay low and follow me. This way, before they discover the dead. For days, I have crept through shadows like a rat. This place once echoed with conversations of friends and lovers. No longer. Mark my words, comrade. One day things would change. We would take the fight to their land, to their people, to their blood. This way. Knowing the routines and movements of your prey tips the balance of a hunt. General Amsel is a creature of habit. He inspects each German garrison every day. We can use this building to flank his route.
Sniper! Get inside now! Son, it's almost gone. We'll have to flush him out before we move on. Follow me! The shot came from across the river. There! The building with the banners! Now the game is cat and mouse. I will draw his fire. Keep your eyes open for the flash. Ready? Now! He's on the top floor! Left side! I'm going to draw his fire again. Get ready to take him out. Did you see him? He knows exactly where we are. I cannot risk it again. It's up to you to find him now. Stay out of the light. If he fires, move. He has you pinned. You need to take a different position. The patrols will surely have heard those shots. We need to get moving.
Shh! German patrol. Let them pass.
Kommunisten! They found us! We need to leave now! Hit the floor! They are trying to burn us out! Stay low! Try not to breathe! Surrounding the building! We must hurry! Move! Upstairs! Quickly! Before we are burning! They have found us! We need to leave now! Hit the floor! They are trying to burn us out! Stay low! Try not to breathe! surrounding the building! We must hurry! Move! Upstairs! Quickly! Before we are burned alive! Take the shot of me. Here, my friend! Take my hand! I need you alive! We need to find a way out! Armored car outside!
Her mit dem Flammenwerfer! Verbrennt diese Russenschweine!
Dimitri, we thought you were among the dead in the massacre at the square.
He was. Among them, but not one of them.
We're about to assault the communication post north of here.
Good! Such a move will prevent the German command calling for help. Dimitri and I will provide cover from above. Wait till you hear the screams of dying Germans. Dimitri, this way!
This way,
After
comrades. Take positions and wait for the signal.
Hold your fire. When you see the flamethrowers, you must choose your moment. Exploding the fuel tank will incinerate anyone standing nearby.
Excellent aim, Dimitri! Keep covering fire to our comrades below! Another flamethrower! Blow it to pieces! Oh, you deserve no better! Let's see the second floor window! German reinforcements moving onto the left balcony! Keep firing! Get rid of it!
They are retreating!
Our friends are moving up! We must do the same! Up the stairs, quickly! Taking fire! Find cover! More infantry! Cut them down! Here they come! Find cover! German! Comrades are clearing the building! Watch your fire! Amsel will drag you around! Quickly, we must cut off his escape route! Dead ahead! Enemy!
Wo kommen nur all die Truppen her? Einen hat's erwischt! No scope! Sowjetische Truppen!
Follow me! I know a perfect sniping position, overlooking the command post. Hold fire!
We are too close to our goal to reveal our position. There is nothing we can do for our comrades. Their sacrifice will not go unavenged. The death of General Amsel will be just the beginning. Look ahead! The building adorned with flags is the German command post. General Amsel will soon be in our sight. The sounds of battle will flash him out. Coward! There he is! Sir! Stuck along! Put a bullet in his bodyguard's head! Amsel is hiding behind the destroyed tank! You are a true mark! He will be coming for us! We must go! Quickly! Before that tanks fire again! Die! You fucking animal! Into the river, Dimitri! It's our only shot!